Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys what I made. Forgot to video the actual baking process, but this is the end result. This is 90% Kaolin oil and 10% castor oil. I colored with charcoal, so you see the black here, it's charcoal. So this is the new mold that I had, it's a B pattern. So it's been over 24 hours, so it should pop up really easy. So I'll try to do it now. Also, the whole ingredient, okay, will be in the description. Okay, so for you, if you want to try this out, you can. Okay, still wet. Okay, it's not ready yet. Some of them. Hopefully, it's not caustic. Haven't tested it out yet. So should be alright. I think I have to wait for another 24 hours, not dry yet. Okay. So this one with the Kaolin oil, I use like 20% Superfat. Okay, so that's the reason why it's still soft, but it shouldn't be. Also, I use in my other batch, similar batch, but I add a lot of salt as well, around 30% salt, Himalaya pink salt, Himalaya salt. So that's the result. But I think I have to wait. It's cracking. No wood there. It's just the offcut. It's alright. Let's test it out. Yeah, so this is not pretty, but I have to wait further. I promise next time I'll show you the whole process. One more time, I just go upstairs and I'll grab the actual batch that I made. Okay, be back. Okay, this one here, I already cut it. Within 4 hours, I have to cut it, otherwise it's getting too hard. Because this one, I use salt. Okay, so there's a lot of salt in this recipe. So this is some recipe. So I have to cut it straight away. Otherwise, I could not cut it. The reason why I use the mold over here was because I'm afraid I could not cut it, so I use the mold. But I think the black charcoal part, I didn't use the salt, okay, and I didn't blend it further to make it solid. So it's still sticky. Have to wait further, but that's alright. It's in the mold, so it's not too cumbersome to pop it out of the mold. I can wait, but this one, once it's out of the mold, you have to cut it straight away. Initially, I want to try the hanger stove, but it didn't work out. So I leave it like this. It looks alright. Add some dimension, okay, different to come out of the side. See, but add something extra to the texture of the soap. So it makes something interesting. I can take a photograph now. Post this as a thumbnail. Sorry, next time I'll show you the whole process. But if you're new to my channel, you can check back my playlist. I have a lot of beginners soap, okay? And also, if you need to see the full ingredient, see the description, okay? And I use peppermint for the essential oil, okay? My name is Chau, a soap maker in Sydney, Australia. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.